It's Tiny Time with M&M. We're going tiny. Welcome to M&M Life on Purpose. And we're here to talk to you today about one aspect of our Life on Purpose journey, and that is us making the decision to go tiny.
Yeah, so it really all began probably 15 years ago or more when we bought a hard-sided camper to go camping in with our family, and it was amazing how much we as a family enjoyed it. I never would have realized or never would have imagined that Melissa and the children would have enjoyed camping so much, but it was the thing. I mean, it's like, when we're going next, where are we going next? And we took some epic long 2-week trips out west, several times, and I just enjoyed it thoroughly. Went to the beach, went to all kinds of different places all over the U.S., and just really, really developed an extreme love of the camping lifestyle, and we had an opportunity a few years ago to buy a new camper due to an unfortunate accident with the other one. That's where it got totaled. But by then all our children were grown. We'd been camping for more than 10 years, and so we bought a camper that was really designed for two people, not for a family. And we camped some more over the past couple of years. Not any major trips, but the more we camped, the more we enjoyed it. And there come a time, I don't know where we say, it was you or me said we could do this, and we had met long-term campers, people who were permanently camping over the years, either in permanent sites or that traveled around the country in their RV or in a camper or whatever. And we just thought, we think we would really enjoy it. We talked about possibly retiring and pulling a camper around the country. This camper is actually a little big for that.
We haven't given up on that idea yet, so we may still do that.
True. And we gotten a little older, and we happened upon this park where we have the camper parked now in a permanent site. And last couple of months or last several months we've been getting it set, hooking up permanent plumbing. Now we're working on the outside amenities, a deck and our living space outside to make it more of a home. And it's something, the word that we've come up with is camping every day. And it's just exciting to think about that's what we do, campfires and cooking outside and relaxing in the sun or relaxing in the shade, going on hikes. Because when we were camping so many years, our camper was just our base home, to go do other things.
Base camp.
Yeah, it was base camp. And it was our jump off point for everything that we did when we were camping so much. And that's where we are now.
And that's where we are. And so this particular playlist on our Life on Purpose channel is dedicated to going tiny. This has actually been a process that we've been working on for several years. I mean, you can't just overnight decide that you're going to do it. We've probably tried to downsize and cut surplus materials for 3 years now. We've been working on it. And still, when moving day came, just check out the videos on some of these. But we have videos on this channel that we want to share with you about our journey, about how we're setting up our camper, how we're setting up those outdoor amenities. Come along with us as we go on this journey. All right? So thank you, and we'll see you next time.